Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Love from Lizi's February 2024 card kit is now available. It's called Make-A-Wish. And if you are interested in the kit or any of the February add-ons, I do have links in the description box below. So let me show you everything that's included in the kit. You'll receive 5 sheets of white cardstock. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. And Lizi's white cardstock is alcohol marker friendly, and it's also great for ink blending. You'll also receive a full sheet of acetate, perfect for making shaker cards. And there's also 1 sheet of specialty cardstock. It's silver satin mirror. Instead of pattern paper this month, Lizi's included 8 6x6 sheets of this beautiful glitter paper. You'll receive 2 of each color. And the nice thing about the glitter paper, this glitter does not shed at all. Even if you cut it, it's not going to make a mess. I love the different mixes of colors on the papers. Some have more of a rainbow look. There's one that's pink and green, pink and purple, all beautiful colors. Next up are 5 pearlescent card bases with coordinating envelopes. I love the beautiful soft colors. And the card bases are pre-scored, so super easy to fold them in half, decorate up your card base, and you're ready to go. Now once the card base is folded, this is not an American standard A2 size card. The card base is just under 5 7/8 of an inch by 4 1/8 of an inch. And if you don't want to use the pearlescent paper as a card base, you can use it as specialty cardstock. It is a nice heavyweight. The peel-offs this month are the straight style in the beautiful topaz glitter color, so they're super sparkly. Here's a look at the stamp set. There are 3 different images, a frog, a unicorn, and a castle. We have 4 sentiments. Hope your day is as magical as you are. Sorry, forgot your birthday. You deserve royal treatment, and make a wish. And there's also some tiny little star images. The kit does include a pack of fun ephemera, and I will lay out all of the pieces at the end of the unboxing so you can see what's included. The next item is an embossing folder, and there is an option to also cut out that very center. There's a beautiful vine wreath with 2 fairies and also a couple of dragonflies. So if you want to cut out that centerpiece around one of the fairies, you can use the die that's included, or you can leave that off and just emboss it. The kit includes a roll of 1/8 inch red line tape. It's always fun when the kits include adhesive. Next we have 2 wooden fairies, and there's a little hole cut in the top so you could add some ribbon or twine, make them an ornament, or attach them to a card. There are 3 dies this month. We have a large castle, and it has this beautiful decorative look. There's a fairy, and also the sentiment, make a wish. And the 3 words of the sentiment are all hooked together, so you don't have to mess with all these individual letters. There's a bag of chunky glitter, has this beautiful iridescent finish. This will be perfect for creating shaker cards. If you remember earlier, the kit does include a sheet of acetate. There's also a bag of super fine silver glitter. If you love a lot of sparkle on your cards or projects, you will enjoy the silver glitter. Next up we have the bling, and Lizi's included 3 different types of clear or silver bling. 1 sheet includes traditional gem style stickers. 1 sheet has these tiny little flowers, and the other has this little raised bumpy circle. I think it would look really cute as the center of a flower. The next little bag of fun goodies has 2 different items. You'll have to look carefully at the first item. It's almost invisible. It's a very thin cord, similar to fishing line. Try to bunch it up. You can sort of see it in my hand. This would be perfect for making spinner cards. Just be careful not to lose it because it is really hard to see. The bag also includes 5 star gems. There is no adhesive on the back, so you will need to use a glue dot or other type of adhesive to adhere them. The next little baggie includes lots of beautiful ribbon. See if I can get these out of the small bag. There are 5 skinny ribbons. You'll receive 1 meter each. And also inside this small baggie are some pre-tied bows from beautiful iridescent ribbon, so they have a lovely sparkle. It's always fun to have a bow that's pre-tied, that way I don't have to try to tie my own. And the kit includes 6 pre-tied bows. Now I'll bring back the skinny ribbon so you can get a better look. There are 5 colors: light blue, light green, light pink, yellow, and white. So that's everything that's included in Love from Lizi's February 2024 card kit. And here's a look at the ephemera. I've laid it all out on my desk. And there are multiples of several of the images. The castle, the frog, the unicorn, and also the dragon all have multiples. And there's a variety of fairies with different skin tones and hair color. I did receive a few add-ons. There are 2 4-pack peel-off bundles, and these coordinate beautifully with the kit. The one on the left is all pinstripe. We have silver moondust, lilac, lemon glitter, and teal mirror. The set on the right is the variety bundle. There's the butterfly border in mauve, the mini twinkle in silver mirror, mini hearts in clear pink iridescent glitter, and mint green with silver overlay in pinstripe. There's also a new 6-pack of glitter peel-offs. These are all the pinstripe style. We have the pink, clear, yellow, light green, green, and black. And the nice thing about the glitter, it's all sealed so it won't make a mess. There are several specialty cardstock bundles available. The first one is very similar to the paper that's included in the kit, but this is a larger size. You'll receive 2 of each color, and this is the same glitter paper, doesn't make a mess. There are a total of 8 sheets, and these are A4 size. So they're slightly narrower and a little bit longer than an 8.5 by 11 sheet. The next specialty cardstock bundle includes 6 sheets. 3 of them have a pearlescent finish, and they are double-sided, and the other 3 are all silver holographic mirror. All 3 have a different design on them, but they are super sparkly. The final cardstock bundle is all pearlescent, and this is one-sided. We have a light yellow, white, light green, light blue, a soft orange, and a light purple. Lizi's pearlescent cardstock bundles are always super popular. Now here's another look at Love from Lizi's February 2024 card kit called Make a Wish. If you are interested in purchasing the kit or subscribing, I do have links in the description box below. This is a monthly kit, so quantities are limited. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to sign up and subscribe. There are lots of other add-ons that are part of the February release, and I have provided a link if you want to check out the rest of the items. Coming soon, I will be sharing my 10 card video using this beautiful kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.